Holy shit, that's fucking big one.
Morning 671. Morning 670. We're just here at Alupang. We gonna do some whip over here. Just maybe a few hours or few minutes. Half an hour maybe. Yeah.
Salty.
Partner, salty crew. Right on. Hawaii. Good morning, 8:08. Yeah. Okay, gonna make our setup over here. Right on. Hopefully we can land. Just small tree valley over here. This is my first spot before here where I catch 6-pounder tree valley, Alupang Beach, right there. Okay. Okay. Thank you 671 for all the info about the preserved areas here. Thank you guys, appreciated. Whew. Okay guys, no strike here. So we're going to move at Boat Basin. Yeah, right on. We're here at Boat Basin. So there's some anglers here also catching for live bait. Yeah. Oh, nice rainbow. Yeah, we try our luck over here using our bait, the condom bait. Alright, right on. Whew.
Dapa.
Oh yeah. Release natin.
Ayos siya na.
Yari ka. Yari ka boy. Yari ka boy. Shit. What's this? Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh.
Uy, atulay.
Nakakito. Kamali. Oh.
Sila atulay ha.
Wala. Manik lang eh. Oh shit. Oh ha? There you go. Woo!
Nice one.
Ulit lang oh.
Goray, goray.
Baby luputan. Baby hindi umatak eh. Baby gastak yung mga rock o what? Oh no. Ulit ka lang. Rock.
Lapota das guam.
Ah, nakuha ka. Inaabot na kasi.
Trabal.
Yeah.
Trobal yun naman.
Ibang klase, puro bali, oh.
Zebra.
Ibang klase, oh. Look. Inaabot niya, oh. Parehas din yan.
Holy shit. Pull. Holy cow. Pull, pull. Strike, baby. Holy shit, that's fucking big one.
Oh! What the shit? Woo!
Fuck.
Woo!
Yan niya the leader came up.
Look at
Snap.
that.
Holy
Yeah.
cow.
Coral or rock.
Yes, na lang.
Woo! Shit. The
Already.
leader can handle it, but it's he squat it on a rock, man. Look at that. Look at the line. Oh shit. It's okay. Next time,
Big
brother.
one. Look at that. Look at our leader.
Scratch on a rock. Scratch on a rock, man. Look. There you go. Look at that. You already have a split.
Dapat
See?
pinalitan rin.
Oo, dapat pinalitan na natin kanina. Look at that, oh. Okay, let's set up one more time. Then, if no strike, we go right on. Cut our line. See that line? There. So we need to change our leader now. Right on. We make one more rig for today. Because we got snap. Scratch on the reef. So we try again. Right on. That's a big one, condom. Got snap. I don't know what's the problem of my reel. The bell wire sometimes goes back right away. So I don't know if something with the spring on the bell wire. Whew, right on, we got snap. So and then we ran out of weights already. So we're going to stop by one of the tackle store here to buy weights and swivels also for the leader line. Right on. Whoo!